So, a blessed day, ma'am, a blessed day, classmate. So, my task in this video is to present to you a mathematical tool. So, this mathematical learning tool is named FluidMath. So, let me introduce to you the FluidMath. So, FluidMath brings our handwritten math into life. So, before I'll be having my demonstration, uh, let me give you a background about fluid math. So, fluid math is the first mathematics learning and teaching tool for pen-centric platforms users, including smart boards such as interactive whiteboards and tablet PCs. And also, Fluid Math has won many awards because it enables students and teachers to animate, graph, solve, and create physics and math problems on our own handwriting. So, the key features of Fluid Math is that it demonstrates technology's potential impact on teaching and learning, and also it differentiates itself from other tablet and web-based math programs by seamlessly integrating handwritten notation with a powerful graphing calculator. And also, it showcases the educational possibilities with pen and digital inking on tablet PCs. So, for you to know how fluid math work is that let me have my demonstration. So I'll exit this one first. So the first thing that you would do is to download first the fluid math software. So what I'll demonstrate to you is some of the basic key features of fluid math. So let's try simplifying and approximation. So let's try. Of course, you need to take the draw pen and then. So let's try to write na. So for example, we will write x x plus 3 equals 1 equals 1. So if you want to simplify this one, to know the value of x, we can just write x and then arrow, single arrow. Then now you can have the answer. So x is equivalent to negative 2. So another example, let's have 3x plus 2 plus 2 equals 0. So let's simplify this one. So again, to simplify, we will just write x and then single arrow. So now we can have the answer negative 2/3. So if we want to know the approximation of the value of x, we will just write x double arrow so if we want delete, we can just ganon lang. Double arrow. Yeah. So, di ba, the value of negative 2/3 is equivalent to negative 0.6667. So, we can use fluid math in in simplifying an approximation. So as what we've done with the use of our digital stylus or fingers, our handwriting turns into a typeset, and the fluid math will automatically perform calculations. So another key features of fluid math is that we can graph also. So let us try x squared. Let us try x squared x graph 2 equals y. So for us to graph this equation, we will create a Cartesian plane. So for us to create a Cartesian plane, let us click the roller on the upper of the screen of the fluid math. So let us click the ruler. Then let's create a Cartesian plane. Then the x-axis. So we have now the Cartesian plane. So for us to know the graph of x squared plus 2 equals y, we will just drag that one towards the Cartesian plane. So now you can see na that the x squared plus 2 equals to y. So let's have another example. So let's try cube. So let's have um, x cube plus y cube plus y cube equals 0. So again, for us to know the graph of this equation, we will just drag this one towards the Cartesian plane. So now we have the equation na. So we use a simple gestures lang to create graph and sliders. So if we want to teach our students about the characteristics of graphs or what is the graph of a certain equation, we can use the fluid math in demonstrating in visualizing the certain equations. So that's it. So you can have explore na the fluid math on your own. So let's proceed to the fluid math's benefit. Let me exit this one first. So fluid math is ideal for middle and high school students and teachers, both in and out of the classroom. So for teachers, fluid math is a powerful teaching tool that can be used because of its flexibility model math concepts, because we can create flip instructional content to be viewed outside of the class time. And for students is that fluid math is an engaging tool for exploration, promoting deep mathematical understanding. And for both teachers and students, fluid math can create and share fluid math documents also for fostering collaborations, because in fluid math, um, there will be it can have an interaction between the um, students to students and students to teachers. So that's it. So thank you for listening. I hope you understand on how to use fluid math.